Hello. Hi, my friends. So today I want to show you a whole album. My idea for beginning was make tutorial for did cover, but my original cover snapped in this part, so I get idea to use this artificial leather, but it wasn't easy because glue and double taped not really keep the cover together. So during the night I hold with that tips and hope it's working. So I did cover look very original, nice. Actually, I use front of junk journal from Stamperia, that bottom, and then I just use pieces like this cafe, this ladies, that lady, man, and drinking, eating cookies and drinking cafe. So I am satisfied, and if that artificial leather not will keep very well, especially corners, I maybe use iron corners and put on. So that is about cover, and let's see how the album look like. I'm very happy and satisfied with what I did. I hope you will like it too. So first we have that booklet, what is from junk journal, and we can add photos here, and also I put that ribbon and here some stopper cover. And when I open this ribbon, here is something I fold, and we can slide something here, photos here, and also is actually strip, and behind is photomat for 4 photos. I love that old cafe store. And here I glue that ladies, put tag on. How I tell before, I use for that album not only pieces from Stamperia, also I use leftover paper from Ciao Bella, I don't know exactly names of others companies, I can't remember. Can you imagine? I don't remember. Something new. Okay, so next page is that belly belt, and when I open, it's accordion for few photos. Here we can write something. Beautiful paper, and closure is with that moving man. Okay, let's go. Fine. Each page has photomat inside the pocket, because each page is double page with pocket in. Next page, I just glue that girl, lady with cake and running home for coffee. Coffee is here in pocket and also is double page for double photomat. Next page have doors again with coffee and photomat, and when I open the page, the gate, here we have photomat for photos. It's pocket. Here is running by bicycle man home to drinking coffee with wife. She waiting sitting next to window, and here other woman waiting for somebody to drink coffee with her. Here I just put this watches, and we can make mark when we drinking coffee, you and me. Okay, so here is stopper. What is okay? So next, what I did next? Here is something like that. Beautiful picture, and when I open, it's I make with fussy cutting jar and cup of coffee. Here on top I cut big heart and we slide photo there. Okay, closure is like that, and edge have that tiny coffee. Next is waterfall with many photos. Beautiful. I just add that cafe and coffee here. And next page, sorry, I just fussy cut image on the page, add this, how it's called, mešce in Slovak, with coffee, and also here I add something, and behind we can slide photos. Next, because for that inspire me that tags, so I start to doing many tags. So this page has just simple pocket on the bottom. I decorate with that edge with coffee, and here we have photomat and lot of tags. We can write something on each tag, and I just add this tags with coffee. So it's many. I play with them. I really enjoy every day to doing something with scrapbooking. That is my seven heaven. Okay. And I add old coffee because here is that London coffee house in Philadelphia, so I support this with that. also was that round with that houses on watches. Next page. I in last coffee album I play with coffee and I make pages from old book wet and dip them on coffee. So I get that paper and I make frame from this paper, and I add acetate window so we can slide something on and decorate with that images. Here I add that Grand Cafe with that man, and when I open it's magnets here, but that magnet can be closed with photos. It's exactly measurement for photos, and inside the frame we can slide something. Okay, next, what I did for next? That moving jar, and when I open is some pocket. I add this I love you like I love my coffee. Okay, yes. It's true. When I open, I add this window, and behind we can slide something, and here is something like open photomat. We can add photo here, a photo on that flap, and all closed like that. Okay, next. My fantasy still working. So what I did here, I did pocket on edge of this page and put that photomat, but page was empty and I don't know how to, I get idea to make just strip on the corner, and it is like pocket. And here I put that little booklet, and yes, that is the paper on the bottom which I dip on coffee, so to not fly flooded. So I add that photomat here, maybe like that. I don't want to cover this. Okay, and almost done. Here I really smile and play because in my stash I have that house left over from some collection, and I cover the window of that house with that lady behind the window, and on the bottom I put the man, and because he look up, so he love her and make coffee for her. And here is big pocket, we can slide some photomat there. Okay, last, and I make tutorial for that envelope. Envelope is 3D, and inside the envelope I have 2 accordions for many photos, for 8, 16 and 16, it's 32, and plus this, so many photos can go in. and I just added drinking coffee lady and that, and also fussy cut this. So that is my happiness. I really play every day with paper, and that is the result my play with junk journal cafe from Stamperia and other companies. Thank you very much to visit my channel and see you on next video. But before I finished, I ask you to make a comment which page you prefer, you like it. Few of them have tutorial on my YouTube channel, and your subscription make me very happy. Thank you, and see you on next video.